uh, yeah, hi. So this is going to be a video on a Venom blockchain where I was trying to deploy my own token in Venom blockchain, and I was going through these documentations on developing with tip 3. And if you go through this documentation, you will be able to deploy in your local server in Docker container. But if you try to deploy in a Venom testnet, you can get the faucet also. But if you try to deploy on Venom testnet or in mainnet, you'll face issue which I have gone through. And because if you go to their Venom wallet, you will see mainnet, testnet as well as a local node. There's no problems to deploy in local node, but if you try in testnet, you will face issue because after seeking for help in their Discords and Telegram, I came to know that they no longer support testnet, they only support the mainnet. And I was also trying to deploy in mainnet. Let me quickly go through the token code. This is the same code that you find in documentation also. I just use my wallet name and name of the coin with the symbol and 1 million token supply, right? And here the value is 2 nano 3, so you must have at least 3 token in your Venom wallet, at least 3, because if you have less than 3, then it's your smart contract won't be deployed, right? That's the thing you need to consider. And if you go in config file, a main file here, so this is for local that's not necessary. You can do like this also. It's not necessary, you need to have a separate .env file for this. Then if you come here, you can find this code in GitHub also in the link. Then testnet is also not necessary, so this is about the mainnet, right? So endpoint will be this, right? Then after address, you need to put your wallet address here, right? Then after your phrase, 12 phrase of your wallet, that's the secret phrase. I have removed some word here. Then after phrase also, you need to use the same here phrase here, copy paste, right? Then after, if you come here, and I was going through a lot of error here. I tried in local. In local, I was able to deploy the contract, right? And if you try to deploy in mainnet also with less than 3 tokens in your wallet, then you will also face same error. And in mainnet, yeah, this one, I had around 50 ever token. Then after I was able to deploy in a mainnet. I'll show you in block explorer also. If you come here, oh yeah, so this is in block explorer test coin, right? And yeah, you can import the token here by manually with the same code I have already done. So 1 million token is the same I have used here also, or 1 million. If you deployed in local also, it will show you. For instance, if I try to deploy in local, it will give you your contract address. You can use same in here by changing the server, local node, yeah, like that. You can import the tokens here also. So this is all about Venom blockchain deploying. maybe this can help you to deploy your project also. You can find this config file in GitHub link also. You can check there also. Yeah, thanks for watching.